Stop gambling on random signals. A real trading strategy is a system. Today you will learn a complete three-part system. A signal to suggest an entry, a filter to measure probability, and a final confirmation to measure momentum. This method is designed to keep you out of bad trades and pinpoint high-probability entries. Let's build it. We will use 3 free TradingView indicators. Step 1, the core signal. Go to Indicators and search for Consolidation Range with Signals. Add it to your chart. In the settings, disable Take Profit 1 and enable Take Profit 2. This is our target. Step 2, the probability filter. Search for the indicator named Z-score probability. Add it to your chart. This will appear below your price. Step 3, the momentum engine. Search for the Commodity Channel Index or CCI. Add this indicator to your chart 2 times. For the first CCI, open the settings. Set the length to 50. Make the line yellow and thick. For the second CCI, set the length to 34. Make the line red and thick. Now, drag the red CCI into the same window as the yellow CCI. This is our momentum engine. The setup is complete. Now the rules. All 3 conditions must be met. This is not optional. Condition 1, the signal. The consolidation range indicator must print a blue buy signal. Condition 2, the filter, the Z-score. Probability line must be moving in an upward direction. Condition 3, the confirmation. Look at your momentum engine. The yellow line must be above the 0 level. Then, wait for the red line to cross up and over the yellow line. That is the final trigger. If all 3 conditions are met, enter the trade. Place your stop loss at the level the indicator provides. Your target is the Take Profit 2 level. For a sell trade, we reverse the logic. Condition 1, the signal. The consolidation range indicator must print a red sell signal. Condition 2, the filter, the Z-score. Probability line must be moving in a downward direction. Condition 3, the confirmation. The yellow line must be below the 0 level. Then, wait for the red line to cross down and under the yellow line. This is your entry trigger. Stop loss and take profit rules remain the same. That is the complete 3-indicator system. Your job now is not to trade it with real money. Your job is to backtest it. Open your charts, go back in time, and see if this system works for you. Prove it to yourself. If this guide was valuable, click like. Subscribe for more systems-based trading. Thank you for watching.